So our mission is to show students how cool latest technology is and the amazing things they can do with it.
Something like this?
Yeah, like this.
It's even creepier for the
There's all kinds of technology in there. Does his head rotate too? Yes, it does.
The head
I
rotates?
don't have the remote control hooked up right now.
Ah! God, that's creepy.
That's amazing. So what's really cool about this has already run 5 miles of Houston City streets.
Really?
Our car parade.
It was in the art car parade.
Yeah.
With the mine cart that we made from an ATV.
So it was car number 147. So you can look up the online pictures
Yeah, our Facebook page.
on our Facebook page. Yeah.
I would be so arrested if I owned this thing.